Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So we're starting off today's video at Hobby Lobby. There was a new Hobby Lobby in Tucson that I'd really been wanting to try out, so I decided to bring the camera with me as I shopped here for the first time. That way you could come along with me as we shop. This will be the first portion of the video, and then for the rest of the video we'll be back at the house doing a little bit of decorating and cleaning. But I'm starting off my shopping here in the floral section of Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is one of my favorite stores. I'm a little bit biased because I used to work there, but I just love their selection of home decor. They have calming music playing, and it's just really relaxing to slowly shop through their store and just see what's new. So they have lots of different pots to choose from. This was a new one that they had here on this macrame hanger that I thought was really neat. If I ever need greenery for anything, I always go to Hobby Lobby. We even got all of my wedding flowers there for the bouquets and everything because I still worked at Hobby Lobby up until I got married, so I was able to use my employee discount. They do have all of the Christmas greenery out now, and I am so excited to start decorating for Christmas. You guys might be seeing a Christmas Decorate With Me video here soon. Hobby Lobby has basically every category of home decor. They have a whole aisle just with shelves. They have these really neat wood floating shelves. And if you need decor for a kid's room or a nursery, go to Hobby Lobby. They have so many different varieties of kids decor and nursery decor. I love everything that they have on this shelf right here because it all would match the boys' room perfectly. They also had some new decor set up in the aisle. I loved all of this. This little basket container would be great in a bathroom. And everything at Hobby Lobby does go 50% off at some point. So if something is not 50% off, just check the next week because it probably will be. This week, all of the table decor was 50% off. And then the next week, probably all of the wall decor will be 50% off. So like all of the mirrors and the clocks, signs, anything like that that you hang on a wall will be 50% off. And if it's not on sale, then you can use their 40% off coupon that you can find online. So basically a good rule to follow for shopping at Hobby Lobby: you never buy anything for full price because you can either get it on sale or you can use your 40% off coupon. And I want one of you to be able to go to Hobby Lobby and buy something on me, so I'm going to give away a $30 Hobby Lobby gift card to one of you so that you can go to Hobby Lobby, buy yourself something special, maybe something that you saw in this video that you wanted to get. So to enter, just like this video, be sure you're subscribed, and then just leave a comment down below. I'll pick a random winner from the comments on the date that the giveaway ends, and I'll type all of that up down below as well. Just a little way to say thank you, and also I would just love to treat one of you guys to something at Hobby Lobby. They do have some new designs of these Floor Pops peel and stick floor tiles. This is a really easy way to update your bathroom floor without having to put in all new tile. They also do have some of these self-adhesive wall tiles, and I did buy some of those in like the subway tile design, and we are going to be trying them out at the end of this video to see if they actually work. So stay tuned to see how that turns out. And of course, before I left Hobby Lobby, I had to go and walk through the Christmas decor. The Christmas decor is marked down to 50% off right now. So if you're looking to start shopping for Christmas decor, definitely head to Hobby Lobby. Okay, so now a little haul of everything that I got from my shopping day. I didn't find everything that I was looking for, but I did find a few things. This little painting, I thought I would see what that would look like in the kitchen. I got this cookbook holder. All of this right here is from Hobby Lobby. I got those wall decor stickers, the ones that look like subway tile for the guest bathroom. We're going to be trying those out later in the video. This cute little stool I got for the boys' bathroom, and then I couldn't leave without this really cute little manger scene. I thought this was just adorable. I ran into Home Depot and got this towel holder, and then I did go in Target. These are the only two things that I found in Target, and I actually ended up returning those the other day because they just didn't work out in the kitchen. I went to Ross and got this really cute basket for only $11. Ross is a great place to go if you need some baskets at an affordable price. And then I went into Marshall's. I found a couple things there, these cutting boards for the kitchen, this really cute little glass jar for the kitchen counter, and then these glass soap bottles are also for the kitchen. I feel like I show these clip rings in every decorating video, but I went into Walmart and got 4 packs of these black clip rings. These are the best clip rings, really good quality and a good price, but they're always out of stock at Walmart and you can only buy them in store. I finally found them in stock at a Walmart the other day and I bought all that they had. They had 4 in stock and I just went ahead and bought all 4 because I need some more for the master bedroom as well. And then I got another black curtain rod to put here in the dining room. So I wanted to add some of these clips to the curtains that I have hanging here in the dining room. I hung these curtains up to hide this glass sliding door that goes into the workout room. We just weren't sure what we wanted to do here yet, but we wanted to cover it up so that you couldn't see into the workout room from the dining room. So I just put these curtains here for now, but we'll see what we eventually do. We thought about completely closing off this wall, but if you ever wanted to use this room as an Arizona sunroom, then it would be really neat to have like some frosted French doors to go into there, or even if you had it set up really pretty, just some doors that you could see into the sunroom. While we live here, we'll probably always use it as a workout room. So we'll see what we end up deciding to do, but for now I just have some curtains hanging here to hide the workout room. My husband went ahead and hung up a second curtain rod over here on the window because as soon as these curtains come back in stock at Target, I'm going to buy a second pack of them and hang them up at the window. Let me know down in the comments if you like the curtains better without the curtain clips or with the curtain clips. I feel like that it adds a little bit of something up there at the ceiling because it's just kind of plain curtains, plain wall, plain ceiling, and I feel like the curtain clips kind of break it up a little bit. I will have a chandelier coming down here in about a month, so that will help to break things up there, but I really like how the curtain clips look. So now we're gonna head in the kitchen and do some cleaning in here and then a little bit of decorating. Went to Home Depot the other day and looked at kitchen countertops. We're probably just going to end up replacing these countertops at some point instead of trying to epoxy them. I explained this in the previous video here on my YouTube channel, and I also would like to meet with a couple of the local countertop people and just compare prices and see who has a better price and timeline. So yeah, we'll see how all that goes. There's no big rush to replace these countertops, but we would like to here at some point. After I cleaned up the kitchen, I cleared stuff off of the counter, gave it all a really good wipe down, and then I just started trying to add in some of this new decor that I bought, switch things up here a little bit in the kitchen. I feel like I'm not going to totally decorate this kitchen until we do the backsplash and the new countertop, and then I can kind of get a feel for what all I want to put on the countertops. But I knew I wanted to add some cutting boards to my countertops, and I really loved the color of those ones from Marshall's. And then this cute little jar with the spoon, I could not get this from Marshall's because it was so cute. I decided to put my salt in here and put it here by the stove with the olive oil. And then I got these two matching big glass soap bottles because I wanted to have them here by the sink. I love the look of having matching bottles by the sink, but I couldn't find any matching bottles to where one was the hand soap and one was the dish soap. So I just bought two of the hand soap bottles, and then I emptied the hand soap out of one of the bottles into this glass hand soap bottle that I have, and then I poured dish soap into it. I set up my Magnolia cookbook on this cookbook stand, and then I added the little painting up here on the shelf. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this painting. I'll probably be returning it to Hobby Lobby. We'll see, but those shelves are going to completely change here soon once I decorate for Christmas. I got the living room cleaned up, and then I used my Robo-Rock cordless vacuum to vacuum up in here. Like I've said before, this is my favorite cordless vacuum that I've ever owned. If I remember, I'll try to put a link for this down below. And the piano that I have over here in the alcove cutout area, I actually think I might move this over into the dining room. We're going to be completely furnishing the dining room with a rug and a light, all of that, probably about the 1st or 2nd week of December. So when I do that, I'll see if I want to move the piano over there or not, and I also will have decided by then whether or not I'm going to chalk paint the piano black. But I did decide to go ahead and take down this mirror. I took it down because it reflects the kitchen in there, and I don't really like seeing the reflection of like the refrigerator and the kitchen in the mirror. And also, I don't know if it's because the mirror isn't of the highest quality or something, but when you're standing far away, the mirror like warps the image that you're seeing, and it just doesn't look very nice. I decided to take it down, and I also took it down because I want to put a mirror over the mantle. And then I took that basket that I got from Ross, and I set my Nearly Natural fake fiddly fig tree in there that I have in the master bedroom. That is from the Nearly Natural website. I'll put a link for that down below. They did send that over to me, so a big thank you to them. We're going to finish this video by doing a couple of updates here in the guest bathroom. I tried to hang a couple of different hooks on this wall, and so there was several holes and screws in this wall. We're going to get all of that cleaned up today, put some new hooks in the wall, and also hang up that towel holder that I got from Home Depot, hang up a black circle mirror, and then also try out those peel and stick wall tiles from Hobby Lobby. First thing I did was to hang up that towel holder from Home Depot. If I can find a link, I'll put it down below because it was really easy to install, a great price, and it was really good quality. hand towel I got a while back from Hearth & Hand from Target. These little black hooks that I'm putting on the wall are also from Hearth & Hand at Target. Now we're gonna put these peel and stick tiles on the wall, and when I first pulled them out of the packaging, they definitely were a lot thinner and a lot cheaper feeling than I thought they were going to be. And my honest opinion of them, do not waste your money on them. Just go out and buy some real tiles. If you're in a rental or something, this could be a good temporary option for you. But I would say instead, try to go and find some type of peel and stick that's completely smooth. The problem with these is that they bump out, and so it's really hard to get that tape to stick on the back of them. And they don't stick to the wall. They just fall off. They look really cheap, and yeah, they were kind of a fail. So don't waste your money on them. Go and try to find one that's a little bit more flat. I'll look on Amazon and see what I can find. Maybe I can find something that would work a little bit better that I could link down below for you guys, because like I said, this would be a great option if you're in a rental. What we're going to do is just any leftover tile that we have from the kitchen, when we do the backsplash in the kitchen, we're just going to put that here in the guest bathroom. And that square wood mirror came with this little sink from Lowe's, but I swapped it out for this black circle mirror that was in the boys' bathroom. I think it fits this bathroom a lot better. It looks really good above the sink. I like it a lot more than that wood square mirror. I'm going to do a bigger mirror in the boys' bathroom. Jalen helped me to get these hooks hung here on the wall, and then I touched up the paint on the walls where I filled in all of those screw holes. And that is all the updates that I did to this little guest bathroom. I feel like these were the finishing touches on this bathroom. I love having the circle mirror over the sink and this towel handle here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this shop, decorate, and clean with me video. Kind of something a little bit different to switch things up. Don't forget to enter that giveaway to win the Hobby Lobby gift card. And I will see you in a couple days in a brand new video. Bye.